Today we're diving into Perplexity, an AI search engine that's been making waves lately. But does it live up to the hype? Let's see if it truly enhances your search experience, or if it raises more questions than it answers. So, what exactly is Perplexity? At its core, it's designed to provide a more conversational search experience, blending traditional search engine capabilities with AI-driven responses. When you type in a query, it not only pulls information from the web, but also generates concise summaries that feel like a conversation. This can be a game changer for users who are looking for quick, digestible answers. Navigating the interface is relatively straightforward, making it accessible for both casual users and those who rely heavily on search engines for research. One standout feature is its ability to provide citations for the information presented, which is a big plus for those who value source credibility. However, there are still some areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the depth of answers can vary significantly depending on the query, and sometimes it feels like the AI is just scratching the surface. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Perplexity's conversational approach makes searching feel more intuitive, and the citation feature is invaluable for fact-checking. However, there are some frustrations. For one, the AI can struggle with complex queries, often providing overly simplistic answers. Additionally, users might find the occasional lack of depth in certain topics frustrating. Trust is another concern. While it does pull from credible sources, the AI's interpretation might not always align with expert opinions. This could deter serious researchers. If you're someone who needs in-depth analysis, you might find it lacking. On the flip side, if you want quick answers without diving into lengthy articles, Perplexity could be a great fit. In conclusion, Perplexity is worth a try, especially if you appreciate a more conversational search experience. It's great for quick answers and casual browsing, but serious researchers might want to look elsewhere for more comprehensive insights. Overall, it feels promising, but some users may prefer traditional search engines for their depth and reliability.